Today, this tutorial will show how to sell some Bitcoin on a Coinbase account. Now, we will log into the app in real time so you can follow each step. Now, we are on the homepage of the Coinbase account, which can be seen on the bottom left side. This is what appears when logging into the iOS account. What we want to do is go over to where it says buy and sell. There are a couple of ways to reach the same spot, but this is one of the easiest methods to do so. Once clicked, it will show three options, and we should select the sell option. You can click either the word or the arrow on the right. Now, it will display all the different assets you currently have available for sale. If you have a longer list, you can search for it or scroll through. For our example today, we will sell a small amount of Bitcoin, so we will click the icon here. That will take us to a similar page to the one for buying Bitcoin. But now the sell option is toggled on here. Now, from here, it's set to USD, but you can switch it to Bitcoin if desired. For our example today, we will stick with US dollars. On the top right corner, just as a heads up, this is a regular one-time order from clicking here. You can also place a limit order, but we will use a regular one-time order as an example. From here, it gives you an idea of the dollar amount of Bitcoin you have. Clearly, this varies as the price changes. For this example today, let's say we want to sell $10 worth of Bitcoin. Once you enter that dollar amount, the next step is to look at selling. We already clicked on Bitcoin, so that is the selection, and now we choose where to sell it. Currently, it is toggled on cash for USD. If you toggle to this section, you can choose USDC or transfer it to other crypto. For this example, we will do a regular sale into our cash account. You can see here, it says review order. So this does not sell yet, so remember that. We will click on this. Now, this is a quick review of selling your Bitcoin, including the sale price and the total amount. Clearly, this updates in real time. Near the bottom, it will show your spread including fees. Please keep that in mind. Usually, the larger the amount you sell at once, the lower the percent fee may be. From here, go ahead and click on Sell Now. From here, it will show that your order has been submitted. Until you see full confirmation, which has not happened yet, sometimes in real time, you will see, as we did here, that your trade is officially successful and that you sold your Bitcoin. Now that you have sold your Bitcoin on Coinbase, I will show you how to withdraw your money from your Coinbase account. And we have that video here to show you exactly how to do it.